We are currently seeing a massive push in the entire cryptocurrency market. Bitcoin, Ethereum really pushing to all-time highs. That's why today's focus is on one of the biggest meme coins in the market. If you do enjoy the video, smash the like and subscribe. This video is clearly not financial advice, and it's only intended for entertainment purposes. Pepescape, one of the biggest meme coins here. Escape, break free, take control, and join the movement. You can see they've raised $1.2 million currently in their pre-sale. Welcome to Pepescape, the crypto meant to be decentralized. Here we can see available in a range of different cryptos. Even their security audit by CoinSalt, even offering some staking as well. We can see Pepescape has some massive news announcements, launches their pre-sale combining crypto meme coin with decentralized finance ecosystem. You can really learn even more about the overall project. See multiple different posts. Here their pre-sale price. AI invest. Pepescape is also introducing some real infrastructure here with GigaSex, the first ever community owned exchange, now live in MVP. Holders of Pepescape will actually earn passive income directly from this exchange trading fees, giving a real utility. So yeah, Pepescape built with true decentralization, rewarding traders and liquidity providers with real revenue share. And don't forget, the listing price is set for $2. You can learn even more about the tokenomics for the project, 30% pre-sale, liquidity, marketing, staking, total supply for the project, even going over the roadmap, what we can expect later on this year. How to get into the project, it's really simple. You need a wallet, something like a MetaMask. Then you can load it with the particular crypto, and then you'll be able to participate. Don't forget also, with their referral system, you can actually generate your personal affiliate code, 15% from each referral and 15% your friend earns from you. The Pepescape social channels are really great to stay up to date with all the community announcements, all the latest posts, like here on their X, nearly 24,000 followers talking about their giveaways. And here they're pre-sale raising $1 million as Ethereum eyes 6,000. Community-owned exchange, GigaSex unveiled, and lots more happening. There we have it for Pepescape. If you have enjoyed today's video, smash the like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.